So hello guys, this is Rajiv here. So today I'm gonna be unboxing a product which I got from Amazon. The product is gonna be a watch. It's a wristwatch actually. The actual name of the watch is gonna be Timex Intelligent Quartz Chronograph. The model name is T2N722. Let me show what watch I've ordered. So that's the watch I've ordered actually. Okay, so just have a look at it. So this should be the watch inside. See. The pricing is close to like 7,700. So that's the actual pricing I've got it. And I had to pay close to like 7,000, 700 of which is going to be for the Amazon pay balance. Sorry. So this is the watch I've ordered. So my ordered thing is here. So there you go. So that's the order. Okay, delivered to me. Okay, so let's open this thing and see what we have inside. So let's hope everything goes well. Okay, so let's have a look inside. Okay, the unboxing. I mean, the boxing is really worst. Not so great. Not what I expected. Okay, really bad boxing. Nothing, no production, nothing. Amazon is getting worse day by day, obviously. So I don't have an option, but you know, but I know the casing outside is good. I would like to say like Amazon. I mean, the Timex is good at that part. But so let's take this thing out, see what we have here. Okay. So there you go. That's the watch inside. I already opened it. So nothing else here. No bill or nothing. Okay, let's throw this off. That's nothing here. So there you go, guys. That's the watch out here. Okay. So hope the watch is in good condition. You can see that. That's the watch. Cool. So I was worrying about it. Okay. So there you go. That's the watch itself. The casing has got nothing. All right. Oh yeah, it has got the details. Obviously, there's the manual here. Okay, you can see the manual. Alright, so that's the manual and that's the bill, obviously. Pricing should be close to 7,000 here. Okay, you can see that. So let's see, 7,726. That's the pricing. Okay, so that's the box here. You can see it's a Timex, alright. Timex true since 1854. Nothing on the cross, and on the bottom is going to be the pricing here. The pricing has been removed, I guess. I'm not really sure. Yeah, everything is removed. You can see nothing here. The date of manufacturing for this thing is okay, so that's also I think 2017, I guess. That's what it says, and the pricing is everything is removed, obviously. So that's bad. So let's come down. So guys, so there you go, that's the watch here, obviously, cool watch. Let's take the thing out. So first let's check the authenticity of the watch. It's got a lot of dust on it. Okay, the strap looks a little awkward. Okay, so the actual pricing here is given 9,995. That's the actual pricing. I've got it for less of 2,000 rupees and got it for like 7,720. T2N722. That's the model name. Nothing else here. Timex. Okay, so there you go. That's the watch. Okay, I'm holding it upside down, I guess. No, I'm holding the correct direction. So it has got lots and lot of dust. You can see. You can see that. See, lots and lot of dust. I need to clean this arm. I'm not sure. Maybe it's been a little bit down for more than a year or so. Let me dust it down and take the thing out. The watch is working fine, I guess. Let's you know, crash this thing first and see if the needles are working fine. Okay, so it's working good. Okay, so that's the actual watch, guys. That's the bezel. Bezel is working good. Okay, I thought like I should be having some kind of, you know, clicking sound, but no, it doesn't have anything. Bezel is moving smoothly. I thought some like click, some like a tick tick sound should be coming, but no, it doesn't have. Okay, so the dial itself is really big. Okay, and The red color is the nicest thing I've seen. So let's go for it. Okay. Alright, so that's the indigo. Alright, it's glowing really nice. Cool, that's one feature. So there you go, that's the Timex T2N722, great watch. It has got the bezel on the top, okay. I'm not sure what that really names up, and it has got compass to move. How do things work? There's like press this thing up and it calibrates itself, and you know, it works, see? Okay, and okay, I'm not sure how this thing really calibrates. Okay, I need to learn how the temperature works. Okay, so there you go, that's the calibration, I guess. I'm not really sure. Temperature, okay, it has got the temperature measuring thing on here. It has got the tide measuring. Okay, watch works really great. Okay, battery is new, obviously. So it has got so far it has got like watch, one function. Number 2 is gonna be the date function. Okay, number 3 is gonna be the compass. Number 4 is gonna be the temperature. 5 is the tide measuring. Okay, 6 is gonna be indigo function, light, obviously. Okay, which glows the whole of the face here. Okay, that's 6. Number 5 is going to be the rate and bezel here. That's how you measure your timer. Okay, and 7, well, it's not a function, but it's a waterproof. It's water resistance to 100 meters. Okay, so that's the watch. Okay, and so the positive of this watch is its look. It looks like a military watch. I mean, when you put this thing on, it looks great for my arm here. Pretty nice looking for my arm. Obviously, I love black watches. I don't love it, but obviously I love black watches because there's military kind. Okay, it looks like a military watch, obviously. So it has got the north, east, northwest, southeast, and the southeast. Everything, the directions shown. So let's take it out. Okay, so it looks nice. Okay, that's one positive about this thing, and it's got functions, cool functions, obviously. Okay, but the negative to this watch is like, you know, this is an outdated watch, pretty older, like has been into the market for more than like 10 years. Okay, so pretty outdated watch. Well, a lot of new watches have come with a lot more, you know, kind of capabilities. So obviously it's a old watch. Okay, number 1. Number 2 is a strap here. The strap is not so good. Okay, strap may go off anytime. I don't see it's very worse, obviously, but yeah, it may withstand for some time, but after that may go down. Okay, and people complain about this watch is gonna be like, you know, this gets dead after a couple of months of use. One commentary seen with the reviews is like, he stated like the watch went dead after 6 months of time, and after that was not usable at all. And so that's one commentary. Another one is like this bezel which is rotating came off, and everything just mounts up together. So that's 2. Strap is not so great. That's 3. Okay, so obviously this watch has got something which we need to, you know, remember, obviously. So those are the negatives of this watch, but I'm not gonna worry. Okay, let me learn a lot of things with this watch. This watch needs to be learned a lot of things. Okay, you see very close, have a close look at that, and it says like low and high tide, everything measured. Rotates, obviously. I'm not sure how that really works, but let me try that off. Okay, so so that's for the watch, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.